Good morning, grade 12. I hope you're still positive, still working towards your goal, and you're still achieving what you set out to achieve. This lesson, we're solving unknowns, giving the equation of a circle centered at the origin. Right? So, say we must solve, given that x is 4 and y is a. This is a point in the circle, x squared plus y squared equals 20. Determine all possible values of a. So there in the place of x, I put 4, that's 4 squared. Y would be a squared, and that all equals 20. 4 times 4, by now I assume you know, is 16. A times a squared, equal 20. If I take 16 over, 20 minus 16 gives me 4. The square root of a squared and square root of 4, a equal plus minus 2. Can be positive or negative. Determine the distance between the 2 points. So now I have 4 and 2, or I can have 4 and negative 2, because a is positive or negative 2. So the distance between the 2 points, distance equals square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So therefore my x, 4 minus 4 all squared, and 2 minus 2 all squared. 4 minus 4 would give me 0. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. 4 squared would give me 16. Square root of 16 equals 4 units. So the distance between those 2 points is 4 units. Right, the next problem. So here in the second example, we have 2 points A and 6 lie on the circle. X squared plus y squared equal 85. Now instead of assisting you, it can just straight say, determine the distance between the 2 points. So first, in my equation, x is a, y is 6. A squared plus 6 squared equal 85. Gives me a squared, 36. 85 minus 36, if I take it over, give me 49. Square root of a squared, square root of 49. A equal plus minus 7. So therefore my point is 7 and 6, or minus 7 and 6. So for distance, square root x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So I have 7 minus 7 squared, 6 minus 6 all squared. 7 minus 7 give me 7 plus 7, which is 14. 14 squared gives me 196. That is 6 minus 6, which is 0, and 0 squared simply stays 0, and the square root of 196 equal 14 units. Right. Go to this problem. So solve. A3 minus 4 is a point in a circle with center at the origin. Determine the equation of the circle. So origin, x squared plus y squared must equal r squared. So I have x squared plus y squared equal, for radius, 3 squared plus minus 4 squared, right? 3 squared gives me 9, minus 4 squared, 16. 16 plus 9 gives me 25. So my equation, x squared plus y squared equal 25. Now let's say determine the coordinates of P if AB is a diameter. Alright? So technically, if A is 3 and negative 4, P must be minus 3 and 4 for it to be a diameter. So first, if we reflect across the x-axis, my y value changes sign. So it goes from 3 negative 4 to 3 plus 4. Then I reflect that across the y-axis. So for y-axis, my x value changes sign. So it goes from 3 and 4 to negative 3 and 4. So to go from there to there, and for it to be a diameter, simply what's happening is reflecting across the x-axis, so my x value went from minus 3 to positive 3. My y value went from 4 to negative 4. Right? So therefore the coordinates of P then is minus 3 and 4. Right? Next problem. So show that the point C, 0 and 5 lies on the circle. So if I sub in x equals 0, 0 squared plus y squared equal 25. That stays 0. Square root of 25 gives me plus minus 5. So therefore there's a point where x is 0 and y 5, that lies on the circle because I've solved it. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Wish you nothing but the best. I know you are dedicated and you're working hard this year. I know you're going to achieve great success. Right? God bless. Bye. Prove that ACB is 90 degrees. So I have A 3 and negative 4, B minus 3 and 4, and C 0 and 5. So I need the gradient of AC, then the gradient of CB, so that I work towards the angle C in the middle. So gradient AC, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right, so for A, minus 4 minus 5, 3 minus 0. That gives me negative 9 over 3, which then equals minus 3 if I simplify. Gradient BC, right, 4 minus 5 minus 3 minus 0. 4 minus 5 gives me negative 1. Minus 3 minus 0 minus 3. Negative divided by negative positive, that gives me 1 over 3. So gradient AC times gradient BC, negative 3 times 1 over 3. 3 and 3 cancel, so I'm left with negative 1. Therefore, AC B equal 90 degrees. Right, so hope you follow. Wish you nothing but the best. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.